In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to check Compass card balance. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up your Compass card and checking the value attributed to it is extremely simple. You will be able to do this through the official website. So through a web browser on your computer or your phone, visit the official Compass card website. In here, you will have access to plenty of options, including the option to register your card, which will protect your balance, give you options like automatic renewal, and most importantly, the option to check your card balance. So when you visit the page, you can just check your card balance as a guest. All that you have to do here is include the full card number, so the 20-digit number on the back of the card, and then the security code. Now, sadly, I don't actually have a Compass card at hand to demonstrate this full process with, but I believe it is very intuitive. Just enter the full card number here and then the security code here and continue as a guest. You will have immediate access into the balance stored on your card. You can see how much you have, you can see the billing information, the transaction history, and if you want to add value, just tap the button right beside the current value attributed to the card. You will see various different payment options and you can load it up with balance this way. It is also highly recommended to register your card, so if you click on register your card or the register option at the top, you will get instructions on what you have to do. Once again, you have to enter the full Compass card number, the security code, and an optional card name, so you can always remember that it is your specific personal card. By doing this, you will have access to the main features that I mentioned, so you can protect your card in case it is lost or stolen, you can securely store your billing information, and you will have access to features like automatically loading monthly passes or topping up low balances with auto load automatically. You will be able to sign in and attribute an email address, but to keep it simple, in summary, if all you want to do is check the card balance, you can do it as a guest. I hope I was able to help you on how to check Compass card balance. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.